Good morning. Oh boy, I am tired. What's up? So today I'm doing a college day in my life because now it's been 3 weeks and I finally kind of gotten into the routine, of college and knowing what I'm doing. As I said in every single video practically, because I can't stop talking about it, is I'm doing dual enrollment full time. So still a high school senior, but I go to college classes full time. Anyway, today's Friday and I have one class at 10 a.m. but I always like getting there pretty early on Fridays still. Like I like getting there at the same time that I get there for my 8 a.m. because I don't know, it just kind of forces me out of the house. And also the library is totally deserted too when I go. Basically it's just past 7 and I'm going to drive to the little subway station that's not really a subway, but it's too complicated to explain. I just take like the public transport system because it's just like easier logistically and safety wise. Drive to the station, get on the train, get off at the school, go to the library, go to class, come back here, and then do some other fun stuff. I don't know. So, what is this position? I don't really know. I'm holding my phone on my water bottle. So that's why it's shaky and that's why it's kind of a mess and that's why the audio is bad because I'm too lazy to get up and go get my camera from downstairs. Sorry, not sorry. But obviously now I'm home. I had a good class. It was econ. Just like that time for some reason, I'm always so tired from like 10 to noon. It's always been like that. It always will be like that. I don't know what that is, but... And then I came home and I made some, like, pasta for lunch. I also made this smoothie using these, like, dragon fruit smoothie pack things. And it was, like, the best color ever that I've, like, it's such a pretty color. The dragon fruit or whatever it's called. Now I'm just in my room editing a video. And then once I edit the video, I think I'm gonna go get some coffee because I'm quite tired. And yesterday I had a coffee at, like, 3 p.m. And guess who couldn't fall asleep last night? Me. And guess what I'm doing again, having a coffee at 3 p.m. Again. YOLO. When I was in 5th grade in 2012, YOLO was a really big thing, and I almost bought, like, a splattered paint YOLO shirt at, like, the big pier thing in San Francisco. Fun fact! I'm probably gonna cut that out because that was totally pointless. It's literally said like 18 minutes for the past, I don't know, 2 hours, maybe not 2 hours, for the past like 30 minutes. Oh well, I guess I'll just wait and eat my popcorn. Okay, come on, exposure, fix please. So I gave up on trying to upload the video because apparently YouTube is down right now. I don't know if that's true, but that's what Twitter says. So that's why it's taking like 10 years to upload. But I'm gonna go through the drive-thru at Starbucks because I need a little bit of a caffeine because, my daily routine just consists of me consuming a large amount of caffeine.
Because that's the only way I can actually get anything done.
Also, this sounds so annoying. But I'm also gonna get caffeine because I'm gonna be driving like 2 hours tonight to go skiing for tomorrow. Let's get some coffee. Also, question for you guys. Can you like use reusable cups at Starbucks when you go through the drive-thru? Because I feel like when you go through the drive-thru, it's like you could say you have a reusable cup, but then they have to make it for you right when you get to the window instead of having it be prepared for you at the window. And I feel like during peak times, that's really inconvenient for them because they're like waiting for you to get there with the cup so they can make the drink, and that just holds everybody behind you back. So with a reusable cup, I always just go inside, but I don't know if like what's the etiquette with the reusable cups in the drive-thru. Someone tell me because I would like to know this information. Thank you. Okay, this room never has good lighting, but that's okay. I just finished my actually, that's not even true. Definitely did not finish my homework. I did some homework for a little bit, and then I ate dinner, and that's pretty much it. That's all I really do. Normally after dinner, I try to like work out or just play on my phone or do something like that. Depends on the day, honestly. But I hope you guys enjoyed this college day in my life. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm not gonna say that again, but thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below something funny, and I will see you in my next video.